Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can quickly find a channel on your YouTube TV. So the quickest way to find the channel on your YouTube TV is to search the channel. So on your YouTube TV, you can go to this search icon. So in the search, you can simply search the channel that you are looking for. For example, if I'm looking for ESPN or ESPN in 4K, I can just simply click and I can watch the channel. So this is the quickest way to watch the channel. Another way is you can go to the live section and you can sort it by your most watched. In the most watched, the channel will show up that you have watched the most and you can easily access that channel. So these are a few ways that you can quickly watch the channel. You can also add your favorite channel to your library. So if there's a channel that is your favorite, you can add it to your library and then you can easily access it very quickly. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful.